In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer meeting times in Gmail using Chrome. To get started, open Gmail in Google Chrome and begin a brand new email by clicking the Compose button. This opens the message window where you would normally write to someone. If you already know who you want to send the meeting option to, you can add their email address in the recipient field, but the main goal here is to get to the email editor so you can access Gmail's scheduling tools. Once the new email window is open, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the message box. This is where Gmail keeps several helpful tools that can be added directly into an email while you're writing it. Among these icons, find the calendar icon. When you hover over it, you should see the option that says set up a time to meet. This feature is useful when you want to coordinate a meeting without going back and forth over email trying to find a time that works. Click the calendar icon to open the scheduling options. Gmail will then show you a few ways to continue depending on the tools available in your account. From those options, choose offer times you're free. This lets you suggest availability directly inside the email, making it easier for the other person to review and respond. This option is especially helpful if you want to stay flexible instead of sending a calendar invite for only one fixed time. By offering times you're free, you give the recipient a clear set of options to choose from, which can save time and make scheduling much smoother. It also keeps everything inside the email draft, so you don't need to open a separate tab or switch to another app just to begin the process. As you go through this, make sure you're clicking the correct calendar icon in the email toolbar, not the full Google Calendar app from somewhere else on the page. If you don't immediately see the option, try giving the toolbar a careful look. Since the icons can appear compact depending on your screen size, that's all you need to do to begin offering available meeting times from inside Gmail. Open a new message, click the calendar icon in the bottom toolbar, and choose offer times you're free. It's a simple built-in feature that can make scheduling more organized, more professional, and much easier for everyone involved.